Hello everyone, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss trim comment and extend comment. So let's start with trim comment. To choose trim comment, go to modify toolbar and here choose trim. Otherwise, use the shortcut, type TR and then press enter. Basically, we use this command to trim the extended parts of an object. Here you can see this rectangle has some line extended outside its body. So let's see how to trim that. Choose trim command. Now press enter to select all the objects. Now click on the extended parts to trim them. Just like that. Let's do it again. Choose trim command, press TR and then press enter. Press enter again to select all the objects and click on the extended parts to trim them. Now let's talk about some options. Go to another geometry. Choose trim command, press TR, then press enter. Now, not selecting all the objects, select this circle, the smaller circle, and then press enter. Now notice one thing, if we want to trim these lines, then it will trim up to that circle, because we select this circle as a boundary for the trim command. Here notice one thing, we can't trim an object don't have an intersection point. Let's see that again. Choose trim command, not selecting all the objects. Now select this big circle and press enter. Now let's trim those lines. Here you can see the lines are trimmed up to the big circle. Here you can see. Now let's talk about some options. Choose trim command. Press enter to select all the objects. Now you can see here is 5 options available: fence, crossing, project, edge and erase. So let's go with fence first. To choose fence, press F and then press enter. Now you have to create a fence on those parts you want to erase. Say we want to erase the extended part of the lines outside the big circle, so you have to create the fence like this. Make sure that the fence is not touching any other parts, otherwise that part will be trimmed. Press enter to erase them. Here you can see all the extended parts of these lines are trimmed. Let's see it again. Choose trim command, press enter to select all. To choose fence, press F and then press enter. Now let's trim the extended part of the lines inside this small circle. So let's create the fence like it and press enter. Now let's talk about the next one, which is crossing. To choose crossing, press C and then press enter. In this option, you have to create windows to select the extended parts to trim No matter you are creating normal window or cross window, both windows are going to work as cross window. So let's see. Select this one, this one, this one, this one. Here you can see we have created cross window in this side and now creating normal window in this side, and both are acting as the cross window. Now let's talk about the next one, which is project. But we are not really going to talk about project in this video because this option is very much useful in case of 3D drawing, so we'll talk about it later. Now choose edge. To choose edge, press E and then press enter. Now let's move to another geometry. Here you can see the lines are not physically intersecting, but we must need an intersection point to trim an object. So if you choose edge command, then you are using a virtual intersection point to trim the object. Here you can notice one thing, that if you move the cursor on the object, it is going to trim from this point, and if we extend this line up to this line, then it will be intersected at this point, and this point is working as our intersecting point in this case. Here you can also see this, if we extend this line up to this line, it will be intersected at this point. So this point is working as our intersecting point for this command. So this is a very useful option. And the last one is edge. Choose trim command, press enter to select all, and the last one is erase. To choose erase, press R and then press enter. It will work as the typical erase command. So select the object you want to erase and press enter. The object will be erased. So that's all about trim command. Now let's talk about extend command. To choose extend command, go to modify toolbar and here choose extend. Otherwise type EX and then press enter. Now as before, press enter again to select all the objects. Now click on the object you want to extend. Here you can notice one thing, if we click on the right side of the object, then it will going to extend it on the right side. If we click on the left side, it will be extended on the left side. Be careful. All the objects are extended up to a bigger circle. So this is the basic use of extend command. Boundary is very much needed in case of extend command. One thing, let's draw a circle over here from the same center point. Now choose extend command, press enter to select all the objects. Now notice one thing, if we select an line to extend, it will going to extend up to this circle. Here you can see all the lines are going to extend up to this circle. Now see one thing, choose extend command, Now select this circle and then press enter. Now select this line. Here you can see the line is going to extend up to the bigger circle. Here you can see it is not going to extend up to this circle but up to this circle. So choose the boundary as per your need. Now let's talk about some options, just like trim command. Choose extend command, press EX, then press enter. Press enter again to select all. Now you can see, just like trim, here is also available fence, crossing, project and edge. So let's go with fence first. Press F and then press enter. Now it's time to create the fence. Here you can see, be careful at the time of creating the fence because the object is going to extend it on that side from which the fence line is passed through. So carefully create the fence and then press enter. Here you can see we made a mistake here, that our fence is going through the inside of this small line, so the object is extended inside the smaller circle. So let's talk about the next one, which is crossing. Choose extend command, press enter to select all the objects, press C to choose crossing, and just like trim command, select the object by creating a cross window or a normal window, because both the windows are going to work as the cross window. Here you can see we have selected 3 lines. One is going to extend inside and the other 2 are outside. So it's basically the problem of creating a window. So be careful while creating a window. Always create the window on this side. You want to extend the object. If you want on the both side, then select the whole line, not like that. Here you can see when the window crosses the middle point, the side of extension is changed. Let's do it again. Choose extend command and choose cross window, and notice one thing, if we select both the sides, then it will be extended in both sides, but in that case the window should be created like this. 2 sides of that object must be inside the created window. If we create the window like this, here you can see we able to just extend one sided. So create the window not like that but like that. Both the sides are inside the created window. Now let's talk about the next one, which is edge. To choose edge, press E and then press enter. Here choose extend. Click on the parts you want to extend. So that's all about trim and extend command. If you have any query, let me know in comments. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like my video, thumbs up, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for another updates. If you want to learn AutoCAD from the basics, then subscribe my channel and watch the playlist Learn AutoCAD. Thank you.